Ben and Friends. The Magic Box. Words. See. Sam sees a box. Old. The box is brown and old. Open. Let's open it. Grass. They sit on the green grass. Word quiz. Sam blank a box. The box is brown and blank. Let's blank it, says Ben. They sit on the green, blank. Story time. Ben, Sam, and Pat play. They are under the big tree. Sam sees a box. The box is brown and old. Look at this, Sam says. What is it? Asks Pat. It is a magic box, Ben says. Let's open it, says Ben. They sit on the green grass. They look at the brown box. Read aloud. They are under the big tree. Look at this. It is a magic box. They look at the brown box. Reading quiz. Where are the friends? In the house. Under the big tree. What does Sam see? A brown box. A bluebird. Is the box new? Yes, it is new. No, it is old. What does Ben say? Goodbye. Let's open it.